So what does building in open means? What happened on day one? What happened on month one? What happened on quarter one? What happened in year one? I am Manoj Dhanotia. We are building Micromitti from grounds up and we are building it in open. I am now doing this after successfully running two IT companies across the world named AI Trillion and GoWebBaby. So what does building in open means? It means complete transparency. We will be sharing our progress, challenges, triumphs, and even setbacks with you in real time. This is about giving you an insider look in our company's journey, right from the drawing boards to hopefully great success. So, what is Micromitti? What is our vision and mission? It's simple. We want to create wealth for common man in the growing real estate market via fractional investment and SM rates and any other way a common man can invest. Our mission is at the intersection of this real estate opportunities and innovation in PropTech. We dedicate ourselves to empowering our clients with fractional real estate investments to premium lands, projects, driving forward their financial aspiration with each new venture we create at Micromitti with precision, with due diligence, with legal responsibility. So why I am doing this? Why we are building it in open? There are majorly two reasons. Number one reason, I believe in power of community. We want to build a community of partners, providers, brokers and investors who all should thrive while India grows and see $10 trillion of economy being built, and every common man in this community should be able to use this opportunity at Micromitti to build a successful career, a successful house, a successful family and a successful nation together. Second reason is transparency. We believe that transparency breeds trust, and in real estate, which is a very unregulated market in India, a huge market in India, there is a lack of transparency and trust. By building Micromitti in front of you all, with my team, with my colleagues, with my investors, with other entrepreneurs, we believe each and everything which we do every day, every new project, every new success, and even the accounts and everything has to be openly built, just like a private limited company or a shareholding company on stock markets. We believe this way new regulations which are coming in real estate in India, in PropTech as a SM REITs, will have more access to the common man. In each video, I will update you on what we have been working on, what we have achieved, what challenges we are facing. I will share insights into our strategic decisions, product development, and maybe even some behind the scenes moments that you wouldn't typically see. So here's what we have been working on so far. I joined on April 1st, 2024. It's been 1.5 months. We've started our YouTube channel. You should go and search Micromitti and start seeing our 3 podcasts we have done explaining SM REITs. We have done a lot of Instagram shorts explaining fractional real estate investments, again SM REITs, and how a common man can earn and wealth in real estate. We have built a small team here in Indore, our hometown. We have registered 7 new JVs, 3 new projects which we are bringing in Indore, and a lot of other things. It's in early days, but a very small step brings us closer to our goals. And I will see you in next videos with your feedback, questions, and ideas which I am getting every day as a love from you on Instagram also. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a potential customer, or just someone interested in our journey, your input can help shape Micromitti. Please feel free to join Micromitti if you want to work with a new generation PropTech company. We are hiring talented people, we are hiring youngsters, and we are hiring experienced people. Please do comment and let me know what else would you like to know while we are building this company. See you soon. Bye bye.